In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully transfer and test your Base44 project. Let's dive right in, starting with the very first step, opening your Base44 project in Chrome. Perhaps you're wondering why we specifically recommend using Google Chrome. Well, it's simply because Chrome tends to provide a smoother, more consistent browsing experience, especially when dealing with various tech platforms and their intricate features. Once you have your project open in Chrome, your next task is to locate the export or download code option within the dashboard. This step is key, as you want to ensure you're pulling the most updated version of your project. Navigating the Base44 interface is generally straightforward, but if you need to, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to quickly spot the export option. Now that you've found it, go ahead and initiate the download of your source code files to your computer. You might want to create a dedicated folder for these files beforehand to keep them organized and easily accessible. By doing this, you can prevent any stress that might come from misplacing important files. Next up, you'll want to open your preferred code editor or hosting platform. Whether you have a favorite or are exploring new environments, the choice here can influence how efficiently you manage and examine your code. Popular editors like Visual Studio Code or platforms like GitHub provide robust features that can enhance your coding process. With your environment ready, the subsequent step is to upload or paste your code files into this new space. Take a moment here to ensure every file from your Base44 project is accurately transferred. This meticulous check is crucial, because missing even a small file can lead to potential issues down the line. After uploading, it's time for the all-important testing phase. Testing is where you ensure everything functions correctly and the transition has been seamless. Look out for any errors or bugs that might have crept in, and resolve them promptly to ensure your project runs as expected. So, there you have it, a smooth process to effectively export, transfer, and test your Base44 project. Remember, attention to detail throughout each step will greatly aid in maintaining the quality and functionality of your project. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!